Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe, hit the notification bell for new videos uploaded.
Who is the richest in Blackpink? Jennie and Jisoo. Jennie and Jisoo are both from rich families in Blackpink. Both of Lisa and Rose's parents are middle class, and Jennie and Jisoo's parents are upper class. They all come from rich families. Jennie's mother is CJ&M director and shareholder, and her father is a hospital owner. If you've ever paid for a hospital bill before, you know that it isn't cheap. Bosses are typically the ones who get most of the money, and for a hospital, that must be a whole lot. As for her mother, she is the director and a shareholder of a South Korean entertainment company, which is a pretty big deal, and entertainment companies in Korea make a lot of money. Just imagine how much her mother is making. She was also born in Gangnam, a large and rich district in Seoul. Jisoo. Not much is known about Jisoo's parents, but we know that she came from a very rich family. Her father is rumored to be the co-CEO of RBW Entertainment, which could explain her close relationship with Hwasa and Weehin of Mamamoo. Also rumored to be the co-CEO of Mnet, or a small company. Either way, he rumored to be a CEO of some sort of company. She attended SOPA, which has a tuition around 10,000 USD. As for Lisa and Rose, Lisa's stepdad is a famous chef, and her mom's job is unknown. Rose's dad is a lawyer, and her mom is a businesswoman. Hope this helps. Have a great day.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for every time I upload a new video.